Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us dive into the interesting story of tea. It is a common breakfast beverage for many Kenyans, but the farmers go through a lot of struggles. Right now, we have the heated topic of the bonus payments, which happens every October. Let us start at the beginning. How did tea come to be Kenya's favorite? Tea was brought to Kenya in 1903 by the white settlers in Limuru as an experiment. In 1924, commercial cultivation of tea began with the establishment of the first large estates by the colonialists. Remember, at this point, Kenyans were not allowed to grow tea in their farms until in 1956. Small-scale farmers started planting tea on their farms in 1963 after independence. The majority of Kenya's tea-growing areas are in highlands. There are 21 counties that grow tea. These are the counties that are controlled by the Kenya Tea Development Agency, and there are 15 of them. They are Bomet, Embu, Kericho, Kiambu, Kirinyaga, Kisii, Meru, Murang'a, Nakuru, Nandi, Nyamira, Nyeri, Tharaka Nithi, Trans Nzoia, and Vihiga. Tea is planted from seedlings, and the maturity period before harvesting is 2 to 3 years. Now let's talk about the Kenya Tea Development Agency. The Kenya Tea Development Agency was formed in 1964 under the Agriculture Act, replacing Special Crops Development Authority. The Kenya Tea Development Agency, KTDA, supports smallholder tea farmers by managing tea cultivation and collection, arranging for processing in factories, and marketing the finished tea. It acts as a management agency for about 65 tea factories, buying tea from approximately 560,000 to 700,000 small-scale farmers. KTDA also offers support services such as providing planting materials, technical and financial support, and procuring inputs like fertilizer in bulk to reduce costs for farmers. In 2002, it was privatized to become the Kenya Tea Development Agency Limited. It is now owned by the smallholder tea farmers who are its shareholders. A tea farmer is paid 25 shillings per kilogram per month. Then there are deductions that are present like the fertilizer, loan repayments for those who have taken loans, and medical insurance. Now to the issue that brings so much contention, the bonus. What is a tea bonus? There is no clear definition of the tea bonus, but here are some of the explanations that are almost nearly to what a tea bonus is. So, bonuses are calculated based on a factory's total earnings from tea sales over the past 12 months. After deducting operational and overhead costs, the remaining earnings per kilogram are determined. The amount that is already paid to farmers as monthly green leaf payment is deducted, and the balance is multiplied by the total kilograms of green leaf supplied by each farmer over the year. The KTDA year starts from June the previous year to June of the current year. They count the cumulative kilograms of the whole year. In 2025, the payment will be from June 2024 to June 2025. The sum is paid out as a bonus, which is typically declared in September and paid within October. So, here are the payments of 2025 as confirmed by the factories as of 28 September 2025. Number 1, we have Rokorere Tea Factory with 57.5 shillings. We have number 2, Mununga Tea Factory at 57 shillings. Imenti Tea Factory at 56 shillings. Gere Tea Factory at 53.1 shillings. Mogania Tea Factory at 51 shillings. Kathagarire Tea Factory at 50.5 shillings. Kigeo Tea Factory at 50.2 shillings. Githongo Tea Factory at 50.1 shillings. Jono Tea Factory at 50 shillings. Kianyo Tea Factory at 49.5 shillings. Kenoro Tea Factory at 48.1 shillings. Dima Tea Factory at 47 shillings. Makoboki Tea Factory at 47 shillings. Kemunye Tea Factory at 46 shillings. Doti Tea Factory at 45 shillings. Chinga Tea Factory at 43 shillings. Getugi Tea Factory at 42.5 shillings. Wero Tea Factory at 42.05 shillings. Igembe Tea Factory at 41.1 shillings. Pamba Tea Factory at 41 shillings. Sagaita Tea Factory at 40.2 shillings. Theta Stroke Darugo Tea Factory at 40 shillings. Kagwe Tea Factory at 40 shillings. Dhumaita Tea Factory at 40 shillings. Iriaine Tea Factory at 40 shillings. Matara Tea Factory at 36.2 shillings. Gashege Tea Factory at 35.5 shillings. Kanyenyaine Tea Factory at 33 shillings. Gatogoro Tea Factory at 33 shillings. Momul Tea Factory at 32.5 shillings. Gedhambo Tea Factory at 32 shillings. Keru Tea Factory at 32 shillings. Michimikuru Tea Factory at 26.5 shillings. Kapkatet Tea Factory at 24 shillings. Nyankoba Tea Factory at 22 shillings. Litain Tea Factory at 17 shillings. Sorol Tea Factory at 15 shillings. Tegat Tea Factory at 48.8 shillings. Kapkoros Tea Factory at 14 shillings, Yanchore Tea Factory at 13 shillings, Kebirigo Tea Factory at 13 shillings, Kapset Tea Factory at 13 shillings, Nyasiongo Tea Factory at 12 shillings, Sanganyi Tea Factory at 12 shillings, Ogembo Tea Factory 12 shillings, Mogogosiek Tea Factory at 12 shillings, Itumbe Tea Factory at 11 shillings, Nyamacha Tea Factory 11 shillings, Kiamokoma Tea Factories at 10 shillings. These are not all the factories that have bonuses. More will be released in due time. There are a lot of transparency issues that come up with the KTDA, and they have not clarified reasons as to why bonuses varies in various factories and in various counties. Hope this video was educational and you got to learn something. If you have enjoyed this video, subscribe, like and share with your loved ones. Tell me in the comment section which topic you'd like us to cover next. See you on the next one.